36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, you cannot be walking around. You can't be eating, talking, sleeping, smoking, or driving. You have to find somewhere to be seated and quiet. When your name is called, unmute your device is muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Mr. Richardson, you have to be seated. Okay, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your case, please wait for the attorney to say her name first, then you say your name. This is the People versus Antoine Rogers. Ticket number SP 1095351. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline, Mr. Rogers.
Say your name, Mr. Rogers.
Antoine Rogers.
Your Honor, Mr. Rogers is entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rogers. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
This trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Okay.
Did you hear that or you didn't hear it?
Yes.
All right, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 13th at 9 o'clock.
February 13th. Okay.
Okay, you're all set, sir. Good luck.
All right.
All right, this is the People versus Tyrone Richardson. Ticket number P1334611, count 1, illegal dumping. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, behalf of Mr. Richardson.
Mr. Richardson, unmute yourself. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. Unmute yourself.
Mr. Richardson, tap the bottom of your device and tap the microphone and unmute your device. Tap your device and tap that little microphone to your bottom left-hand side.
Right?
State your name, sir.
Tyrone Richardson.
Your Honor, Mr. Richardson, matter is set for trial today. My understanding, the people are not ready to proceed. I move for dismissal.
Matter was set for trial at 9. It's 10:13. No officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Richardson. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, thank you very much. Happy New Year.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
And
Right.
did we do, I'm speaking, excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm speaking with the officers now. Did we do Theedra Davis already? I heard her name.
No.
Okay,
Wait.
okay. Thank you. I'll continue speaking with them. And Judge, me and Attorney Villarreal would like to have a sidebar with you, Your Honor, when you're available.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Richardson, you're done. You're free to.
Oh, I'm done. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Versus Cynthia Rayner, ticket number SP 1366827. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license without a person. And count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, expired. Strike count 3. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, behalf of Ms. Rayner. Ms. Rayner, can you put your name on the record?
Yes,
What's your name?
Cynthia Rayner.
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial today. I do not believe the officers appeared. I'll move for dismissal.
Matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 10:14. Officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rayner. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. This is the People versus Kyle Duva, ticket number SP 1343199. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, possession of drug paraphernalia prohibited. Ticket number SP 1343327. Count 1, liquid or controlled substance possession or use of firearm under influence. And ticket number U630888522, count 1, narcotic and drug-related violations. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Kyle Duva.
State your name, Mr. Duva.
I'm Kyle Duva.
Your Honor, this matter was set for trial today. The officer is not appeared to move for dismissal.
Matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:16. No officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Mr. Duva. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
How do I do this? Oh, there.
All right. This is Ms. Rainer, you can hang up, ma'am. You're all set. This is the People versus Lavika Dennis. Ticket number SP 1333955. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, proper plate. Count 3, driver registered or entitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1368207. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Ms. Dennis.
Good morning, Lamaika Dennis.
Your Honor, these matters were set for trial today. The officer has not appeared, moving for dismissal.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear, was set for trial at 9:10:17. They're dismissed. Y'all set, Ms. Dennis. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. And I don't know, as far, I think they want to do as far as Justin Robinson, you know, he can refile. He's in the Dominican Republic. He's out on furlough. He's just not here.
You know, you just keep making more work, you know, I mean, it's like you and make them start over, you know, I mean, that's my opinion. Like, they need good cause. Somebody being on vacation is not good cause to a subpoena. So that's my opinion.
Officer Boyd, I got you signed down, putting you back in breakout room 2.
And I'm just gonna say Frank
Okay.
Murphy would not adjourn a case because the officer's on vacation.
All right.
Okay, so do we still have people? So how about this? I'm thinking Tiara Davis, her officer did not check in. Green, Tiara Davis. There's
Yeah,
Tiara Davis and there's Tiara Davis.
Yeah, I said to go back to your day.
Okay, I'll go get her.
Mr. Reeves, do you remember what breakout room you were in?
Number 8, right? It kicked me. It keep kicking me out the breakout room.
Okay. Miss,
Yeah.
Miss, yeah, okay. Sierra Davis.
And Darnell, who needed the interpreter? The Diaz?
She's here. She's still here to do DS. Yes.
Okay, so she's in the, is she in the room with her?
No, this interpreter right here in this breakout room. She's in breakout room number DS. Is in breakout room number.
She's in number 9. No, I'm sorry, I take that. So Gianni is in room 27.
Okay.
Did she do her other case already or they're waiting still?
She did her, the other case is done.
Okay, so after, see if there's an.
Madam Interpreter, you can go to breakout room 27.
Are we ready on Ms. Davis?
Yes.
This is the People versus Tiara Davis, ticket number SP 1365306, count 1, driver license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, Ticket number P947360, count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number P1365307, count 1, improper plate. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Tiara Davis.
Ms. Davis, unmute your device and give us your name.
Kiara Davis.
Your Honor, these matters were set for trial today. The officers not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, these matters were set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:21. No officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set,
Thank
Ms.
you.
Davis. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Can someone look at Jordan Riley and see what the officer's name is on the ticket, please?
Which one?
Jordan Riley.
Oh, it's Curtin. Curtin, Curtin.
No, that's what the ticket says too. Because
Oh,
just
you want to look at the actual ticket?
yeah, because just because that officer appeared and said it's his case doesn't mean that.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Mr. Daniels, why you so late?
I was trying to just Zoom. I can't even give you a good excuse, but I just been trying to connect to the Zoom. I tried to call in. It keep telling me that the
Okay, hold on. Okay, okay, hold on. Mr. Dixon, why did you come out the room?
My phone froze up. I had to reset it.
Okay, listen. I'm gonna put you back in that waiting room. Try not to do that because I'm about to lock the room. I'm about to lock them.
He should go in the he needs to go into a breakout room.
Yeah, I'm putting back.
Yeah, as soon as we get through these, I'm gonna take care of the rest of the people.
Okay, Carlos.
I can.
Myrick, are you ready, sir?
Judge.
We need the, Your Honor, we need the pre-sentence report.
Yeah, we called for it.
Um,
Yes, Ms. Soroki, it says Evan Curtin on the ticket.
Okay, thank you.
okay, Judge, Mr. Daniels just showed up. He said he was having problems, so I'm going to put him in the breakout room.
That's fine. The officer is here on this case, so that's fine. Ms. Davis, you're done. You can hang up.
Okay, Mr. Daniels, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. While you're in that breakout room, do not text, answer your phone. Don't touch your phone, even if someone calls. It'll kick you out of the meeting. I'm gonna lock the room in a minute. You won't be able to get back in. It could be a warrant for your arrest too. Be mindful you're in court. So while the judge is on the bench, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, or walking around. 3, I'm your court reporter. I have to make a record. So let me keep noise at bay. Keep all noise at bay, and I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6.
Did she say I was done?
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
So Mr. Riley is in the hospital. The officer is here. I'm wondering, I don't have an offer. Would you have a delayed sentence offer for him?
3-month delayed sentence, yeah.
Okay, so we can want to just do him right now because he's in the hospital.
All right.
I'm gonna bring him on. Room 3, Darnell. Can you bring him out?
Yes.
Thank you. And then I'll go get the officer. I can tell the officer to come out.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Riley, turn on your video and unmute your device. We about to call your case.
Can you see me?
Mr. Riley, I wish you would have told me you was in a hospital this morning. So.
I work here.
You
He's at work. Mr. Wyrick, what's your email address?
Jay.
I put it in the chat, Your Honor. It's ATTYJAW, the number 1 at ameritech.net. I'll put it again.
I got it.
Okay. I'm sorry.
We got it. It's coming shortly, Mr. Wyrick.
Okay, thank you.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While question session of reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking about, or driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Jordan Riley, ticket number P1365940, count 1, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Officer Curtin.
I don't believe the officer came out, Your Honor. I did notify the city to send him out if she had him. Oh, he is?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Evan Curtin, badge number 3068.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Riley, the people offered my client a delayed sentence. He's going to waive his rights.
All right, Mr. Riley, can you say your name, sir, and raise your hand, right hand?
Jordan Demine Riley.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Ms. Soroka, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes, ma'am.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to June 24th, 2022 at 10:50 a.m. on that date and time where you at or near Congress and Rush Street in the city of Detroit.
That was PM.
Okay, I'll make the correction, PM. You were in that area at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, were you driving a 2019, I don't know what kind of vehicle this is. I usually know them, but I don't know what a CANA is.
So Can-Am. So it's an ATV.
Oh, okay. You were in that vehicle?
I was in it. I wasn't driving it.
Okay, and was loud music coming from that motor vehicle that could be heard from more than 10 feet away?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Okay, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. Because this is a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Riley, you have 3 months to pay a fine of $200. Can't get any more tickets. So no citations, no violations, essentially no further police contact. You come back on your next date of April 21st at 8:35. If you've paid the fine, this will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am. You said I got 90 days to pay it.
You have 90 days. You have to April 21st at 8:35. That's your next court date. Make sure you have it paid by then.
Okay.
All right. You're all set, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good luck to you, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you. All right.
So, Your Honor, 2 things. On Davis Tracy, even though there's no reduced plea offer, I still need the write-up so I can discuss that matter with my client. And also, if someone can tell me what the offer is on the interpreter case, I can go in there and try to manage that.
Am I good to go?
Yes.
All right. So
Yanni Diaz.
Davis Tracy.
Yeah, I need the write-up on the drunk driving.
Okay. Here.
Yes, Mr. Wyrick. I'll put you in the breakout room.
And then I just need to know if there's an offer on that Gianni Ortiz Diaz.
Mr. Wyrick, who was your client again? Was it Rucker? I forgot. Mr. Wyrick, who was your client?
Keith died.
That was him. He's in breakout room 19. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
It's like reporting officer narrative.
Excuse me, am I dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
Okay, you welcome. You too.
It's a police officer heritage.
Yeah, I'm assuming both of them.